You only need 30 seconds to completely remove stubborn limescale from your kettle. Hi friends, I'm Nancy. Suppose you've ever noticed that white, hard buildup inside your kettle that just won't come off. You're not alone, but with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home, you can remove that buildup quickly and safely. Stay with me. I'll show you a few easy methods to make your kettle look clean again without much effort. Before we start cleaning, let's understand why limescale forms. The main cause is hard water, which contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. When you boil water, these minerals settle and stick to the kettle. Over time, heat causes them to build up into a hard white layer called limescale. This may seem harmless, but it can cause a few problems. It makes your kettle use more electricity because heat cannot transfer efficiently. It can also affect the taste of your water and, over time, may shorten the lifespan of your kettle. That's why cleaning your kettle regularly is important for both performance and daily use. Now, let me show you one of the simplest and most effective ways to remove limescale using ingredients you may already have at home. First, add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the kettle. Then pour in a small amount of white vinegar. As soon as you do this, you will see a bubbling reaction. This is completely normal. The fizzing helps loosen the limescale from the surface. Next, add water to fill the kettle about halfway. Turn it on and bring the mixture to a boil. As the water heats up, the reaction becomes stronger, helping break down the mineral buildup more quickly. The reason this works is simple. Baking soda is mildly alkaline, while vinegar is acidic. When combined, they create a reaction that helps dissolve and separate the limescale from the kettle walls. Once the water comes to a boil, let the mixture sit for a few minutes. Look at that. The water has turned cloudy. Then carefully pour everything out. At this point, you will see a clear difference. Most of the limescale will have loosened or disappeared. If there are still a few spots left, you can gently wipe them with a soft cloth. They will come off easily without any heavy scrubbing. Finally, rinse the kettle thoroughly with clean water and boil fresh water once or twice before using it again. This method is simple and effective. It saves you time and effort while keeping your kettle clean. Do you have any other cleaning methods? Feel free to share them in the comments. I would love to learn more from you. If your kettle is too dirty and baking soda with vinegar is not enough, you can try citric acid. When buying, make sure to choose food-grade citric acid and check the label carefully. It's best to pick products with a clear origin and from reliable sources for safety. Now, let's move on to cleaning the inside of the kettle. First, fill the kettle with water up to the maximum level. Then add about 2 tablespoons of food-grade citric acid. There's no need to stir too much. Just let it dissolve naturally in the water. Next, close the lid and turn on the kettle. Let the water come to a full boil. As the water heats up, something interesting starts to happen. You may begin to notice the white limescale slowly fading or breaking apart. The high temperature helps activate the citric acid, allowing it to break down the mineral buildup more effectively. Over time, the thick white layer on the bottom and sides begins to loosen and dissolve into the water. Once the water has boiled, turn off the kettle and let it sit for a few minutes so the solution can continue working. Then carefully pour the water out. Now take a look inside. Compared to before, you will see a clear difference. Most of the limescale is gone, and the surface looks much cleaner and smoother. It may even look almost like new again. This method is simple, effective, and gives you clear results in a short time. Once the inside of the kettle has been cleaned, let's clean the outside of the kettle. Start by preparing a small amount of hot water. You can use the hot solution from earlier or fresh hot water. Then add a small amount of citric acid. Dip a soft sponge into the warm water, then gently press it into the citric acid so a small amount sticks to the surface. Gently scrub the outside of the kettle, focusing on areas with visible stains. The combination of heat and citric acid helps break down the buildup more easily. While cleaning, remember not to place the kettle directly into water. This is very important for safety. After scrubbing, use a clean damp cloth to wipe the surface. You may need to wipe several times, rinsing the cloth between each wipe to remove all residue. This step helps ensure the kettle feels clean and smooth to the touch. Next, rinse the inside of the kettle thoroughly with clean water several times to remove any remaining citric acid. Then fill the kettle with fresh water and bring it to a boil once or twice. Let's take a look at the result. Wow, it looks much cleaner, both inside and out. The surface appears brighter, and the buildup is gone. It may even look almost like new again. Now your kettle is clean and ready to use again. A small tip to help your electric kettle last longer is to take a little time to read the user manual and follow the basic safety guidelines. This will help you clean it more effectively and keep your kettle safe during everyday use. Which method do you find easier? Baking soda and vinegar or citric acid? I'd really love to hear what works best for you, so feel free to share in the comments. If you found this helpful, you can save it and try it at home. Thank you for spending time with me today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.